Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
'98. JavaScript program to check if a number is float or integer. To check if a number is a float or an integer in JavaScript, you can use the number is integer method. Here's an example program. JavaScript. Function check number type, number. If number is integer, number. Console.log, $number is an integer. Else. Console.log, $number is a float. Example usage. Check number type, 5. Output. 5 is an integer. Check number type, 3.14. Output. 3.14 is a float. Check number type, -10. Output. 10 is an integer. Check number type, 2.5. Output. 2.5 is a float. Check number type, 0. Output. 0 is an integer. Check number type, -7.8. Output. -7.8 is a float. In this program, the check number type function takes a number as an argument. It uses the number is integer method to determine if the number is an integer. If it is, it prints a message stating that it's an integer. Otherwise, it prints a message stating that it's a float. You can call the check number type function with different numbers to check if they are floats or integers. The end. 99. JavaScript program to pass a function as parameter. In JavaScript, you can pass a function as a parameter to another function. This allows you to create higher-order functions that can accept different behaviors through function parameters. Here's an example program. JavaScript. Function greet, name. Console.log, $hello, $name, Function execute function, func, parameter. Func, parameter. Example usage. Execute function. Greet, John. Output. Hello, John. Execute function. Greet, Jane. Output. Hello, Jane. In this program, we have two functions. The greet function takes a name parameter and logs a greeting message using the console.log function. The execute function takes two parameters, func a function, and parameter a value to be passed as an argument to the function. Inside execute function, the func parameter is called with the parameter argument. In the example usage, we call execute function twice, passing the greet function as the func argument and different names as the parameter argument. This allows us to execute the greet function with different names. You can pass any function as a parameter to another function, allowing you to create flexible and reusable code that can be customized with different behaviors through function parameters. The end.